Hello viewers, welcome to pinkfella.com. We are here right on the sets of Kuch Pyar Aise with none other than your favorite Shaheer Sheikh, Dev and the beautiful Erica Fernandes, your one and only Sonakshi Bose. On the occasion of the show's first anniversary, we're gonna get into a candid conversation with them as to know how has the journey been. So, welcome to pinkfella.com.
Thank you.
And so how has the entire journey been? It's been 1 year to your show. Successful 1 year to your show. How has the entire journey been experience?
Very fruitful, I would say. This is my first show, and for it to complete a year is like, for me, it's a very big thing.
Yeah, even for me, it's a big thing. The better part is, what I feel is that we made something we believed in. It's something which is completely against the do's and don'ts of television industry. What works in television industry right now, we are completely against that. That's what I feel. And it worked. People liked it, appreciated it. What else could we have asked for?
Had you guys expected this kind of massive response when you guys initially began with the show?
I had this feeling that it would do very well, but I had my fingers crossed, but yeah, it did well.
I believe in doing something which I believe in, and that's what I did. It doesn't matter to me if that we get those kind of ratings or it's loved by everyone. At least I'm doing what I like, and on top of that, if people like it, it's a win-win situation.
Okay. Considering the reports that are going on currently, how has it been working with each other?
Bolo, it's for you.
It's for me. Good. I mean, what do I say more? I have never felt so comfortable working because there are a lot of, if you see, there's no ego issues between us. There's no, this tantrum thing. Everything is very comfortable, very smooth, and there's a lot of understanding. So everything goes very well.
I don't know what to say. I mean, people come up with such weird stories. It's purely imagination, and then how do I react to that? I don't know. I feel blessed that I have a co-actress like Erica Fernandes, who is so helpful. I've seen people asking that वो आया क्या set पे फिर मैं आऊँगी या वो आई क्या फिर मैं आऊँगा. All that doesn't happen over here. We work as a team, and all of us, not just Erica and me, the whole unit is like that with each other. I'm friends with almost all the people on the sets. We play pranks, we go mad, we trouble each other. If you spend some more time on the sets, you will realize. Maybe you can come tomorrow or some other day.
We are like a family.
Yeah, we are more like a family. We enjoy when we are on the sets. We have fun. And if, somebody gives a story like that about our show, I don't know how to react to it.
We could only laugh about it.
Yeah.
Okay, getting a little positive side of things. If you had to explain Shaheer, Dev in one adjective, what would that be?
One.
Let's make it easy. One line, what would that be?
He is very intense and very...
I'm an extreme person. I'll help you with this.
Yeah, he's extreme as well.
My happiness is extreme. My anger is
Yeah,
extreme.
everything is extreme. Correct.
Everything is extreme.
Correct.
When I'm happy, I'm very happy. I feel like I live my life. I don't control myself. I don't restrict myself from expressing. I am who I am. I'm in your face. So
No, he is.
you like it or you don't. It's
Yes.
that's how I am.
And if you had to put, say one adjective for Erica.
She's super talented. That's what I feel. I mean, every day she comes up with things, and she can do so many things. I feel jealous sometimes. She can play the guitar, she can sing, she can cook, she can create things out of nothing. And I'm like, wow, man, I wish I had that much talent.
Last question. Your fans have been your staunch pillars of support. They have loved you massively. If you had to, give a message to your fans, what would that be?
See, I feel blessed, first of all. I was never expecting this kind of response. boy from a small village who didn't know nothing about television or movies, nothing. I had no idea. I had no relatives in Mumbai. And to a guy like me, you have given so much love. I feel blessed. I couldn't have asked for anything more. Thank you.
I would say the same thing.
can't say that.
No, I'm not. I'm not a small boy from a village.
Yeah.
No. But I would say that even I'm not from a filmy background, and this thing is not very known to us, like the fame or whatever. So the thing is that whenever we do it doesn't.
Right?
Yeah, but still it doesn't get to my head because I was still not from a filmy background when I did movies. So I know where my roots are from, and I would like to appreciate whatever anyone comes and says to me. Like if it would be criticism also, I would like to take it in a positive way.
Don't say
And
that. You don't want that right now.
No, I don't want that right
Social
now.
media is happening so much. You
A
will go
lot of
into a
that.
depression. I'm telling you.
I have had all of that also. I have dealt with all of it also. But yeah, I do not want it.
I feel bad for all my co-actresses because no matter which show I'm doing, wherever I am, whenever they stand next to me, they have to go through that, criticism on social media. I feel
Because
really
you cannot
bad.
see him with anyone.
They torture them literally. They get emails, messages, on Twitter mentions and stuff. Yeah. Please be nicer to them. Yeah. Please be a little nicer to them.
That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for being a part of our interview. So that's where we end with our first anniversary special with Kuch Rang Pyar Kaise Bhi super actors. And stay tuned to pinkvilla.com for more updates. Thank you so much.